Hi, today we're going to be making a chocolate chip cookie, and I have all the ingredients already portioned out. I have flour over here, baking soda, salt, butter. But when you make chocolate chip cookies, the butter should be softened, okay? And then we have granulated sugar, brown sugar, 1 egg, chocolate chips, and then vanilla. And now we're going to get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to cream the butter with all the sugars. So the butter should be soft at room temperature. So my tip is, if you know that you're making chocolate chips the next day, you leave it out overnight on the counter or somewhere where it's not too cold or not too hot, because if it's too hot in the room, the butter's going to melt. Okay, so you want to put that in the mixer, and then you want to add the 2 sugars. Okay, I have the granulated sugar over here, and then we're going to use a light brown sugar. Okay, and we're going to mix those 3 together until they're nice combined. The correct term is to cream the butter and the sugars. Okay, you're going to mix that for about anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes. You're going to put it on medium speed in the mixer. And while that's creaming, what you want to do is you want to get all your dry ingredients together. Okay? So we're going to do, I already have the flour. Okay. And then we're going to add the salt and the baking powder. Okay, it's not baking powder, baking soda. Okay, put those together. Okay, and then we're going to whisk them together. So everything gets incorporated evenly, okay? And then after like 2 minutes, you're going to scrape down the bowl to make sure that all the butter and the sugars are combined. See, when the butter is soft, then you don't have to work it so much. You can see that it's nice and smooth, okay? I scraped it. I'm going to mix it again. I'm going to mix it for another minute or 2, okay? Okay, now that looks pretty good. Now the next step is to add the egg. So the egg, you're going to make sure you crack it inside, but try not to get any shells in there, okay? And then start it up on low again. And then on higher speed afterward. You're going to mix this batter until you notice that the egg doesn't look wet. It should look very fluffy. Then we're going to stop it, and then we're going to scrape down the edges again like we did before. Okay. I want to scrape it down like this. And then we're going to start it up again. You're going to mix it until the egg is not noticeable anymore. It's pretty much well combined, looks fluffy, okay? At this point, we want to add the vanilla. So you're going to add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, I didn't measure it, but you can eyeball it. Okay. And then, just like when we added the egg, we want to make sure that we lower the mixer, and then we want to scrape it. We want to make sure that the vanilla is well absorbed in the batter. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to mix it again. And now we're going to pretty much finish it off. We're going to add the flour, the baking soda, and the salt, and then mix it for about 30 seconds. You don't want to overmix it, because what happens if you overmix it, you activate the gluten, and then you could get a tougher cookie than you want. Okay, so let's add that. Okay, now this is a very important step right now. When you add the flour into the mixer, Make sure that you don't start it up on high, because otherwise you're going to get flour all over the place. So what I usually do, I turn it on when the bowl is down, and then gradually bring it up, so that we don't make a mess all over the counter. Just like that. You don't want to overmix it, you just want to incorporate it. Okay? So we're going to stop it right now, and I'm going to scrape it down again. And now we're going to mix it for another 10 seconds, and then we're going to add the chocolate chips. Okay. Now we're going to add a good amount of chocolate chips. This is 340 grams. Okay? So we got that. And then you just want to mix it until it's incorporated. You don't want to overmix it. That looks good right there. Okay? We're going to turn it off. Now we're going to remove the bowl from the mixer. Okay. And I usually use my hands with gloves on to scrape anything off the paddle. Okay. And then you just want to go over it. Just make sure that you don't have any flour on the bottom of the bowl. You want to make sure it's well mixed. Otherwise, some cookies are not going to come out too well. Just gently mix it with your hands for about a minute or two. And now we're gonna scoop them out. So what you can do is you can scoop them out on a tray, and you can refrigerate them for about half an hour. But that's only optional. In here, we usually just bake it the same day. Okay? So we're gonna take a piece of parchment paper and a half-size sheet pan. And we're going to scoop them out. So we're going to use a scooper. Make sure that when you scoop them out, all the cookies are the same size. Otherwise, if you have different sizes in the pan, some of them are going to cook faster, some of them are going to cook slower, and then some of them might burn. Okay? So make sure you have them there. Like, space them out, maybe about 2 inches apart. Okay? Like that. Try not to put too many. These are going to grow a little bit because I'm using a larger size scooper. So normally when I use this size scooper, I usually do 6 per tray. And then let me get another tray. Okay, let's do 6. Okay, now we're going to go in the oven. I preheated my oven to 375, and we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put a 10-minute timer, and we'll have to wait to see how they come out. I'm pretty sure they're going to come out good. Okay, the timer went off. We're going to check the cookies. Oh yeah, babe. They look great. Look nice. This tray still needs another minute, so I'm going to put it back in the oven for maybe like 2 minutes. So just make sure that when you take it out of the oven, you wait a few minutes before you try taking them off the pan. Otherwise, they're going to break. So they have to settle a little bit before you pick them up, okay? And there you go. That's your chocolate chip cookie. Thank you for watching.